Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a Toyota Supra. First, establish a clear budget, as Supra models can range significantly in price, from around $40,000 for newer models to over $100,000 for pristine classics. Research the various generations, like the iconic A80 or the modern A90, to understand their distinct characteristics. Also, investigate potential maintenance costs and common issues associated with your preferred model to avoid surprises. Once you have a clear idea of what you want, it's time to find your Supra. Explore online marketplaces and dedicated Supra enthusiast forums, which often list well-maintained examples. You might find options from private sellers or authorized dealerships. Always obtain a comprehensive vehicle history report, like a Carfax or auto check, to review accident history, title status, and service records. This step is crucial for making an informed decision. Before making an offer, a thorough inspection is essential. Schedule a pre-purchase inspection with an independent mechanic specializing in performance vehicles or Toyotas. During your test drive, pay close attention to the engine's performance, transmission shifts, and brake responsiveness. Also, carefully examine any aftermarket modifications. Ensure they are high quality and professionally installed, as poor modifications can lead to future problems. Finally, it's time to negotiate and complete the purchase. Use your research and the pre-purchase inspection findings to support your offer. Be prepared to walk away if the deal isn't right. Carefully review the sales contract, understanding all terms, conditions, and fees before signing. Once the purchase is complete, remember to arrange for appropriate insurance coverage and register your new Toyota Supra with your local motor vehicle department.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.